In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your account on Deriv. Account verification is important because it helps unlock full access to your account features, including deposits, withdrawals, and higher account security. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon, and then scroll down to the verification section. Depending on the account status, you may see options like verify identity, verify address, or complete verification. Now click the verification button to continue, which is going to be the proof of identity. Now all you have to do is provide all the information needed and click the next button. Deriv will ask you to upload a valid government-issued ID. Accepted documents are driver's license, state ID card, passport, or green card. In this case, I am using a driver's license. I'm going to click the next button, and then you can scan the QR code with your phone to complete the verification. No login required, or you can continue on desktop instead. Now, some users may also be asked to complete a facial verification or upload a selfie. If prompted, make sure your face is clearly visible, use proper lighting, remove sunglasses or face coverings. And of course, after that, Deriv will now review your documents. A verification can take anywhere from a few minutes to several business days, depending on document quality and account checks. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to verify your account on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.